Today I woke up with a little bit of shoulder and neck pain, and I know that this can transition into a headache for me. So this is what I do when I'm a little bit tight. I feel a little pain and soreness in the neck, and I don't really have the range of motion I want. So my left side feels good. Turn all the way I want, no problem. Look from the right. I can't really get all the way over like I want. Like I could push it there and then it hurts a lot, but my neck doesn't want to go there. So I'll show you the routine I do to get my mobility back, get the pain gone, so that way it doesn't transform into a headache later. So it's very simple. It's just some quick mobility and a little bit of strengthening, not really any stretching. So we'll start with just head turns to the left, to the side that doesn't hurt. I usually do about 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and side bends that way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's some chin tucks. 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I already feel it becoming less stiff, which is nice. And then a little bit of strengthening. So resisting rotation to the left, and I just lightly push. Hold about 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. And then I do the other side. 1, 2, 3. And I'm always pushing from the cheek and not the jaw, because I don't want to cause any jaw pain. 2, 3. 2, 3. And then I'm going to resist that chin tuck. So I'm going to push down into my fist for 3. Good. So to the left, fine. Right again, much better. And that took 2.5 minutes. So it's actually pretty quick if you wake up with a stiff neck to address that very easily with some active range of motion and some gentle strengthening to get the muscles in the neck ready to support your head and help avoid those early morning headaches. So give that a try.